The if function gives a result based on if a value is true or false. To use this, type equals, then if, and a bracket, and then click on the cell you wish to check. Next, type in the conditions. For example, if the value is over 50, it is a pass, and if not, it is a fail. Close the formula with another bracket, then press enter. The Countif function allows you to count the number of cells that have a particular value. To use it, type equals, then Countif, then add a bracket. Then highlight the cells you wish to use. Add a comma, then type in the criteria you've chosen, for example the number 10. Add a closing bracket, then press enter. Now you will see that number 10 appears 5 times in the dataset. SUMIF allows you to calculate numbers that are associated with a particular value. For example, we want to know the sum of all values under Jack. Type equals, SUMIF, and a bracket. Then highlight the range you want to analyze. Enter a comma, then select the criteria. Next, select your sum range. Close with a bracket and press enter. This will give you the total of all the values associated with your criteria.